Hare Krishna, welcome to our channel Linux Lab. Today we are going to learn about text functions which we have left previously, like upper, lower, proper, and with the continuation with that we are going to learn today text function, write function, then len, then mid, then your trim, search and find function. So let's start with the video. So first of all we'll look at text function. So what it does, it is basically cutting a word from the left side or cutting any letter from left side, you can say. So let's start with that. So I'll write here equals left, paste tab, it will open the first bracket, and we can use this one effects. So if you click here and select the cell text, now it's asking for the text. So text is this one, so you'll select this one, and how many characters you want to fetch from it. So I am selecting 1, 2, 3 characters. Okay, so if I put 3 here and click OK, you can see only DEF has been fetched. Same for the second one. You come here, right left, and then open the bracket using tab, and then again select the cell. Now this time I am selecting 3 characters. So if I select 3 up to dash, it will be fetched. So like that, open the bracket, you can see it is fetched till dash. Now let's do for the third one. So equals left, tab, you open the bracket, then go to effects, and then again the cell number. I want to fetch the data from here, and how many characters I want, say 3, and press OK. So you can see 2 to 6 has been come up. Same here, come to this cell, and here I had to count because it was bigger word, so I have to count the letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. So I am just fetching this indigo. So if I do left, go to left, open the bracket, go to effects, again select this cell and press right 6, just and OK. So indigo has come up. Same here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters. So if I come here left and press tab on the bracket, go to effects, select the cell, how many characters, say 8, and then OK. So it will bring like this. So that is all about depth function. Now we'll move on to the right one. Okay, now for right, you can see from right hand side I need to fetch the data and I need to fetch the character. So it will cut the word from the right side. So let's start with that. We come here to right, and again press tab to open the bracket, again go here effects, and you can select the cell, it is a cell, and then how many characters I want to fetch, say 2. So if I do 2 and hit enter or OK, you can see 24 has come up. So 2 record has been fetched. Same way this one I can do this one. Go to here and then right, open the bracket, effects, and then again cell number. I want to fetch only 1 character, say 1, and hit enter. You can see 5, only 5 I have fetched. Same way this one you can do. You can go here, then right, open the bracket, select the cell, how many characters I want to fetch from the right hand side, say 4. So comma 4, hit enter, it will fetch the 4. Same this one, again come here, I go for right, and then cell number, and then how many characters, say 3, 4, 5 characters. Okay, so 6, 6, 7, 6. Same way this one, come here right, open the bracket, select the cell number, say 5 characters, hit enter. So that's how you can do the right function. So moving on to the next one, which is the mid function. Now let's consider that I want to fetch the data and characters from the middle part, not from the right, not from the left. So for that I will use mid functions. For that I'm doing here, just come here, is equal, then mid, open the bracket using tab, go to this effects, and once you come here, select the cell from where you want to fetch the data. I'm selecting here, and then starting number from where you want to start the fetching the data. Okay, so for that I'm selecting, say, from E or you want to fetch the data. So for E means its position is 2, so I'm putting 2 here. So from E it will fetch the data, and how many characters, now number of characters I have to give. So say I want to fetch like E, F and dash, these 3 characters, so I'll put 3 here and press OK. You can see E, F and dash is fetched, so like that you can do. Second, this one I'm doing make function, open the bracket, select the text cell, and then starting number, say from 1, 2 and 3. From dash I want to fetch the data, so 3, and then how many characters, say 2 characters, because after dash it is 5 only, so comma 2, close the bracket, hit enter, so 3 dash 5. Same way this one you can do. Again use make function, open the bracket, select the text, starting number, say from 6 I want to start, so 1, 2, 3. 3 is my starting position, and how many characters, say from 3 till the end I want to fetch the data, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 6, and close the bracket. So you can see from 6 it has fetched the data and till the end. So like that you can do this one also. Again make function, open the bracket, select this one, say start from second position, put comma, second position, I'm starting from N and till we go. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So 5 characters I have to give and close the bracket. You can see and we go. I only omitted because I have started from second position. So same here I can do this one. So again mid, open the bracket, select the cell. This time I'm starting from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting position should be 1, and how many characters? 8 characters, right? So close the bracket. So you can see here and here. So like that you can do this one. Length will give you the actual word length along with the space it is included over there. So let's do that. So if I come here and put length over here, open the bracket and select this one and close the bracket, hit enter. So now it is showing me it's 10. Why 10? So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters are there. Still it is showing 10. Why? Because this space will be also included over here. So you can see here, just with your arrow you can try once. You can count the character. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So that's why it is 10. Now you may ask that is there any formula or I have to manually remove the spaces? Yes, you can do that with one formula. It is called trim. So with this trim function you can remove the extra spaces. Now here if you can come again, you can go with your arrow key, you can see extra spaces are there. Here also extra spaces and here also extra spaces. Now here it will not remove this extra space over here. It will keep the gap. It may be happening that more spaces are there, even then it will keep some gap so that the word will not be wrong. So for that we will do this one. So come here and do trim, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. You can see extra spaces has been removed. See here extra spaces were there, right? Here extra spaces were there. So now if you come here, no extra spaces are there. Now you can again ask the question, how can we delete? So for that again you use length function over here, open the bracket, select this cell now and close it. So it is 8 coming down to, right? So previously it was 10, now same space here it is coming to 8. Now again try length function with this one. Let's see how many characters were there. So use length here, open the bracket, select this cell, close the bracket, hit enter. So you can see it was 15 characters. Now it is come down to 8 characters. So that means the extra space has been removed. So like that this Also you can do this, also you can do. I'm not doing this because just I wanted to show the difference between these two, so you can do this, otherwise video will be very longer, so I don't want to make the video longer. So let's move on to the next one, which is search and find. So find formula actually giving you what your exact position of that particular character or letter. So how to find it, just do the practical, you'll get to know. So let's start. Say coming to this one, equals find, and I'm putting first bracket, and then go to this fx, and I'm putting say e, and within the text, this one the text, and click OK. It is giving you error. Why? Because find is case sensitive, so for that you have to give the exact E letter over here. So I need to correct that formula, so I have to go here again. I have to put capital E here because there is no small e, only capital. So capital E, and it should be within the code. If you are writing the formula, if you are putting any character, it will be within the code. If you are writing any number, it can be without code, but in case of character, it should be within the code. So you can see here, if I click this one, automatically code has been put over here. So click OK. So now the value is 2. You can see the value is 2. Why? Because D E second position is 2. So E position has been given to you. Same way, if you can see this one, say try with this one. I am putting find and open the bracket. I want to see the position of B. So I told you have to put in quote capital G and then comma the cell from where the text should be found. So click OK. Now we can ask the question that 2 G's are there. Now in case of 2G or say 2F, whatever it is, it will give you the first position of the G. When it will be appearing the proper position, that position will be given to you. Like here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because G letter has appeared in 7th position first, so that's why it is 7. It could have been given 8. No, it will not give you 8. It will give you 7 because G has come up to the position number 7 first. So like that it will work. So you can do this one also, so that you get to know. So you can do find, open the bracket, say I want to see now number 2. I'm putting 2 number, that's why I'm not putting any code. So comma within the text, this one the text, and close the bracket, hit enter. It will give you the position 12. Now again 2 are appearing over here, 2 ways, right? 2 positions. So even then it will give you the first position only. So like that you can count it. Say A I R 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 space 9 10 11 12. So first 2 is in 12 position. So that's why it is given 12. So like that you can practice. Now let's do search. So if you come here, click and press equal, then search, and open the bracket. After that doing 40 seconds, open it. Now here again I want to find E, the position of E. So if I do that, if I put small e and within the text, this is the text cell number, and click OK, it will not give you error. But in case of say find, it was giving you error. See, here I have written capital E, but in case of this one, you no need to write capital E or small e because it is not case sensitive. This one is case sensitive, find, but this is not case sensitive. So that's the reason. Even if you write small e, it will find the proper position of it. So if I do like again, I have to change it and click here fx once again and putting that capital E. Even then it will not give you error. So both the cases 2 will come up. So same way you can do this one. Say again search and find the text. I want to search 2 and with the text. So this is my text cell number. Close the bracket, hit enter. So again here also 12 was given. Here also 12 was given. So here also 12 has been given. So again here it will give you the first position of 2. Same way. Only difference is it is not case sensitive, this is case sensitive. So that's all folks for today. We'll meet with you soon with another video with another interesting topic of Excel. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, it gets notification immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your questions. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Thank you so much.